Okay, I'm in this thing. So now, let's see. Okay, there I'm right side up. Now let me show you what's going on here. I'm inside this thing, and what we have to do, we have to flip this thing over. There we go, got it over. But what happens is, I don't know if I can show you with this camera or not. I'll show you when I get it out. Okay, all that, oh, I just can't, okay, there we go. See all that plastic stuff in there? Well, I'm going to show you when I get this panel off what needs to be done, because at this point it's no fun trying to get in there to that little old bitty gizmo that's supposed to be hooked up to the second part of the gizmo. Alright, but even with that thing clipped over, where's that other one at? You see, even with this thing flipped over, this little Humpty Dumpty thing needs to go all the way down to here. So somehow you got to get in there and pull that back with your screwdriver. Get it down there, which hard to do this when you're by yourself. Okay, like that right there. Now with that all the way down, then you'll be able to go around to the outside of the car and open it up. So that's where we're headed now. Okay, now time to get this thing changed. So first thing that comes off, take these two push pins out. I mean, you can use a screwdriver or something. They will unscrew with a little bit of help. They're just little plastic screwdrivers, but just little plastic screws. They're not very strong. Okay, then you take the screwdriver and you start down at the bottom. Once you get these two screws out, and I've already had this off once, but you grab and pull this down and you go all the way around. Now it'd be nice if you had some help, because you don't want this thing to fall and break something. Okay, and that one, but you have to be careful. Okay, and then we got this one cable that's got to be undone here, and so we're done with that. Move this out of the way. Now we can get to the lock. Okay, I'm going to try to show you what the problem is. See, you see this? There's a pin up in there, and I can show you better when I get it out. It needs to be locked into this gizmo here. And so that's what causes this thing to move. I can't move it. There we go. Hey, I don't know if you can see that pin up in there, but it's supposed to go right in there. Right in that little hole right there. Like I said, I'll show you more when I get it out. Okay, so anyway, we got the door open. Now we've got to get this out, so we need a pair of pliers to push that out. Okay, let me go get a pair of pliers. Got these so-called pliers, just squeeze these two things together so that, okay, got that pushed in there. Okay, there we go. Got this little pushy in thing right here that you have to push in to unlock it from the main wire harness. Okay, now we've got that loose. Now we've got to undo the Okay, now we've got to undo the cable that comes from the handle that pulls this back to unlock it. To open the hatch. Okay, now we've got to get this cable off of there, so pull this. Get over there on it. It's got to pull all the way through this way, so I'll need to go get a pair of needle nose. Need to go put a pair of needle nose and pull it all the way through this way. And I'm going to try a pair of pliers first. There we go. Now we're ready to take our lock out. Got all the cables disconnected and everything. Take these 3 screws out. Get our other lock, put it in, and then we go backwards after that. Okay, here we go. 3. Okay. And we got our lock out. This is what I'm talking about. See this gizmo right here, a little pin came out of it from this thing. So what I've got to do in order just to get it unlocked is get that back in there, get it to snap in place like I've done there. Yeah. Okay, so that way I can come down here and you see that little doodaddy thing there moving back and forth. Okay, that's locked, that's unlocked. So it's got to be all the way down so that the okay, they're nice enough to send 3 more screws in case I lose one, which I'm real good about losing screws. And this is where I could use a little help again. Slide that in, push that in. Oh man, that was so much easier. I don't know what just fell out of there. I hope it's nothing important. Okay, now I've just gotta start a screw. Okay. Okay, just. Okay, now you want to get these things as tight as you possibly can with your hand. Don't use an impact on it. Okay. Alrighty. Now let's hook our electrical stuff up. Okay, there we go. And then we take that. There we go. Now, all this metal here on the outside is fine, but on the inside it is really sharp, so it'd really be better if you could wear gloves. Okay, well let's try this cotton picker and see what we got. Okay, you want to make sure that this is open like that, because that's what goes down and locks it. That's what goes down and locks it in place, so make sure that's open and not closed. If you want to make sure, push the unlock button to be on the safe side. Just don't slam it too hard, just to be on the safe side. Okay, it's shut. Okay, it opens. Now, let's double be sure it locks. Okay. Alrighty. That's just back to putting our panel on and all our little whatchamacallits. Here again, this is where I need some help because it's not heavy, it's just real big and it's hard to, plus I've got to hook that wire up there, so I got to hold that panel up there and somehow with one hand hook that wire up. And the rest of those hootenannies should fall right into place. It's for the door handle. Okay. Hot dog. Knocked another one loose. Okay. Now the other side. I've got the door handle do-whoppers. One more. This is the hinge side. This is the snap side. And that's it. Okay, I think we're in great shape. Okay, this is why we need that trunk work. I mean, the hatch working all the time. Okay, we be done.